1.
Hi everyone, this is for the reference of 547208 task number and the issue 233477, where I am referring this task to execute the updated functionality. So for this we have created one code on which we need to check the SWOC fields and all. So first of all, let me just mark this field to true and save the record. Okay, now we have marked this field to true. Now let's go to the order. So for this I need to sync the code and create one order first of all. So okay, now we are done. Now let's create the order. Okay, so update the requested delivery date to in present or future. Now let's create one order. Now the SWOC flag field should be populated to the order. So this is the order. Let's go to the SWOC field and check. So we can see the SWOC flag has been true here. Okay, so now it's done. Now let's check the user submits the order, and after submitting the SWOC field and become read only on order and the code. So this is the order. So now let's submit it. Okay, so now order is submitted and this checkbox is flag is true and its status is submitted to Oracle. So now let's go to the SWOC flag. Now let's check that the SWOC field flag is not editable at all, and it should not be editable on the code as well. So the order submitted checkbox is checked on the code. Now if we go to this and update the SWOC flag, so it's giving me the error that cannot update the code as order is submitted and SWOC flag is true, hence cannot be changed. So it's fine. So we are not able to update the SWOC field on code and order both. Now we need to check the SWOC release on order. User required to update the purchase order number on the order. So for this we need to go to the order first of all. Add it. Let's move the status back to under review and save it. Okay, so we are not able to update the order like this. So for this we have to create one more order on a so let's try this on a different code. So now we have created one more order again. This is for the this is to check for the SWOC release flag. So let's check this on order and save it. So please fill the PO number on order before selecting the SWC. So we will fill the PO number. Let's say 123 and save this and save it. Okay, so this has been saved. So when we save this, when we save it like this, then the PO received date and the PO received by has been updated automatically, as well as the um, PO received checkbox is checked. So these three fields has been updated, and now so it's done. And so now PO user received the date defaults to the date of the SWOC release on order. So this is the current date, which is the which is the date of the SWOC order. So this is fine. Today's date. User is required to update the purchase order number, and we have updated it correctly, and this one is done. So SWOC release flag is read only when PO is populated on both code and order, and SWOC and PO info are visible on the code. So now we will check the SWOC release flag is read only or not. So if we try to edit this flag, save it. So we should not be able to add, and we should have the error. So it's correct now. And let's check the same on the code. If we go to the SWOC release flag, this is checked, and if we uh, try to update this and save this, then we are not able to update this field correctly, and the PO received by PO received dates and the PO number is being populated on the code from order. So it's all fine, and the SWOC release flag date is correctly populating. So this whole scenario is working fine as per this task. So this issue, shipment without contract SWOC product, is has been verified in the UAT environment, in the UAT environment, with the reference of this task. Thank you.